Hello guys, I'm again in front of you with a new video, and in this video we are going to talk about our latest news, the Terran 1. We all know that men are trying to achieve not only the earth but also the space, the universe. We all know that there is a space research station at America named NASA, but this year, a private company from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, has launched a rocket which is the world's first 3D printed rocket. And today, we're going to talk about it. Relativity Space, a company with ambitions to develop a fully reusable rocket, launched its first expandable methane-fueled booster from Cape Canaveral Wednesday night, successfully demonstrating the strength of the launcher's first of its kind 3D printed structure, but failing to reach its orbit after a malfunction on the test flight on the second stage. The two-stage rocket, called the Terran 1, is the first orbital class launcher primarily manufactured with 3D printed and the first US-made launch vehicle of its size to use methane as a fuel. Good luck, have fun, test flight, no customer payload. Launch site LC-16 Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida. Launch date 22nd March 2022. Launch time 11:25 p.m. Booster recovery known weather forecast 95% chance of acceptable weather. Launch azimuth is target orbit 124 miles by 130 miles, 365 kilometers by 373 kilometers, 28.5 degrees inclination. Relativity says it has a contract backlog of dozens of customers worth more than $1.65 billion. Terran's cost per launch was $112 million. Its height was 35.2 meter, 115 feet. For more latest information, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.